Do you know where you can find the biggest concentration of wealthy people? The one place where the majority of the world's billionaires are? Is the stock market. Why? Well, because the stock market is made up of companies, and companies are what creates most of the value in our world. In order for you to understand what stocks are, I will tell you one of my favorite quotes of Warren Buffett. He says that you aren't investing in stocks, you are investing in businesses. Once I heard that, I took it to heart and started applying it both in my life and in my teachings. The problem for most people is that when they see something like the stock market, they see a big abstraction. They imagine charts on screens, fancy jargon, and start getting confused. So let's bring things down to earth. What is a stock? A stock is a company. What is a company? It is a business. Just like your local bakery or grocery or gym is a business. However, when a business grows, it starts needing more capital in order to survive and thrive. Enter the stock market. When these businesses start needing more capital, they might choose to go public. What does that mean? It means listing shares on a stock exchange where anyone can buy parts of the companies. Those shares are simply those parts. When they do that, it dramatically eases their access to money because they no longer have to go to meetings, negotiate terms, sign contracts, etc. You, I, or a pension fund from Norway can simply place an order for X numbers of shares or pieces of the company, and the company receives that capital to work with. If it makes a good use of the capital, there will be a positive return or profit for the investor. And this leads to the following positive effect for us investors. The biggest, most productive, profitable, and stable companies in the world are public. If you look at any leader in any sector, be it Amazon, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, Apple, Google, Chevron, you name it, they're all public, which means that they are available to us common investors. This is the revolutionary thing about the stock market. You can literally log into an app on your phone, press a button, and with $50 become an owner in the biggest, most powerful, and most productive businesses in the world. That's the power of the stock market. It's not about trading in and out of stocks. It's not about looking at abstract charts on a screen wondering what will go up and what will go down tomorrow. It's about owning a piece of the world economy, letting your money work for you instead of you only working for it, while the upside of your labor goes to the owners of these corporations. Now you can become part owner in them and reap the reward too. But in order to do that, you first need to understand how to buy shares in these businesses. Do you call them directly on the phone and ask them to buy parts of their company? Do you go to your local bank? How does that even work? This is what we will discuss next in our Investing for Beginners guide. So click on the video that should have appeared on your screen already, and let's buy some shares.